Chloe Paddington. This is an iconic Chloe bag. Yan, meron siyang malaking padlock. Ayan. So, it's a very beautiful bag in beige color. Yan yung side. Then, yung likod. Maganda pa leather niya. Other side. And then, yung kanyang bottom. Yan. The corners. Maganda yung corners niya. Kailangan lang ng leather cleaner. Ayan. And corner 4. Tapos yung handles niya maganda. Yung loob also, it's very clean. Ayan. Ayan yung kanyang padlock and yung key. So, meron siyang card, tapos yung care booklet, and yung dust bag. And may entropy na rin. Okay, for when worn, ganyan siya. Okay, this is an iconic Chloe bag for only 10,000 pesos. Selling low na siya.